I live in an older apartment building, so noises are normal. Pipes, heating, neighbors, all of it. You get used to it after a while. That's why I didn't think anything of it when I first started hearing the sound. It was coming from inside the wall, next to my bed. A faint noise, like something shifting. Not loud, not constant, just every now and then. I assumed it was the pipes expanding or something like that. It didn't bother me enough to think twice about it. After a few days, I started noticing a pattern. The noise only happened at night, usually between 2 and 4 a.m. I know that because it kept waking me up. It wasn't loud enough to fully wake me, but just enough to pull me out of sleep. I would lie there half awake, listening to it, trying to figure out what it was. Sometimes it sounded like scratching, like something shifting slowly inside the wall. One night I got up and put my ear against the wall. I don't know why I did that. Curiosity, I guess. I expected to hear pipes, or maybe even a mouse. But what I heard didn't sound like either. It stopped, completely, the moment I got close. Like whatever was making the sound knew I was there. I pulled back slowly, just staring at the wall, waiting. But nothing happened after that. The next night, I decided to test it. I stayed awake and kept my room completely silent. No phone, no TV, nothing. Just listening. Around 3 a.m., I heard it again. That same movement inside the wall. Slow, careful, like something adjusting its position. I didn't move this time. I just listened, and then it changed. The sound stopped being random. It started sounding deliberate, like there was a rhythm to it. A pause, then a light tap, then another pause. I felt my chest tighten as I kept listening, because it didn't sound like pipes anymore. It sounded like someone trying to make a pattern, trying to get attention. I don't know why I did it, but I tapped back, just once, lightly on the wall. The apartment went completely silent. No movement, no sound. I remember thinking I made a mistake immediately after doing it, like I just acknowledged something I shouldn't have. I sat there staring at the wall, waiting. A few seconds passed. Then I heard it, a tap, from inside the wall. Not random, not accidental. Directly responding to mine. My heart started racing so fast, it felt like I couldn't breathe. I didn't move. I didn't tap again. But it did. Another tap, then another. Slower this time, like it was waiting for me to respond. I didn't sleep that night. I just sat there until the sun came up. The next day I called maintenance and told them I thought there might be something in the walls. They checked everything. Pipes, wiring, even looked for animals. They found nothing, said everything was normal. No hollow spaces, no damage, nothing that could explain the sound. That should have made me feel better. But it didn't. That night, I didn't tap back. I just lay there pretending to sleep. Around 3 a.m., I heard it again. The movement inside the wall. Slower this time, closer. I kept my eyes closed, completely still. And then I heard something I can't explain. Not a tap. Not scratching. A voice. Faint. Muffled. Right on the other side of the wall. Saying my name. I froze. I didn't react. I didn't move. And after a few seconds, it whispered something else.